Premier Qiang is the first foreign head of government to receive an exclusive reception at Egypt's new administrative capital by being the first premier to visit Egypt's prime minister's office here. Chinese firms helped build this dream city, making it an iconic project across Africa and the Middle East. On Thursday morning, the gates of Al-Ittihadiyya Presidential Palace opened wide to welcome Egypt's closest friend, China. During his talks with Egyptian President Abdel Fattah El-Sisi, Premier Li asserted the strength of bilateral ties between the two countries, stressing that China and Egypt share a common destiny. The Chinese premier visited the Egyptian parliament earlier on Wednesday, where he advocated for greater utilization of platforms like the China Arab States Cooperation Forum and the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation. Egypt is a member of both. During the visit, China voiced its support to Arab unity. Premier Li indicated to the Secretary General of the Arab League, Abdel, that China views its relationship with Arab nations from a long-term strategic perspective, which promises stronger ties in the future.